Hydrogen peroxide is a sanitizer, powerful cleaner and stain remover. Bear in mind the kind of surface you apply it on because it has almost the same properties with bleach. In this video we are going to share different ways that you can use hydrogen peroxide in your cleaning routine. Number 1. Disinfect your toothbrush. To prevent bacteria from your toothbrush, keep your toothbrush clean by soaking it in some hydrogen peroxide once every week. Number 2. Garment stain remover. Remove blood stain from garment by pouring a little bit of hydrogen peroxide onto the area and leave it for a minute, then rinse it off with water. Number 3. Keep vegetables and fruit fresh. You can keep fruits and vegetables fresh for a longer period of time spraying them with equal amounts of water and hydrogen peroxide. You can also mix half cup of hydrogen peroxide in a big bowl full of cold water and soak your fruits and vegetables. Number 4. Kill dust mites. Prevent dust mites from your bed by spraying equal part of hydrogen peroxide and water mixture on your mattress once every 1 or 2 weeks. Number 5. Clean windows and mirrors. Just spray some on your mirrors and windows with hydrogen peroxide and wipe them clean with a paper towel. Number 6. Clean your dishwasher and washing machine. To remove mold and mildew in your dishwasher, spray the affected parts with hydrogen peroxide. To clean washing machine, pour 2 cups of hydrogen peroxide into an empty washing machine and run a hot water circle. Number 7. Stinky and fungus feet. To get rid of stinky and fungus feet, soak your feet in 1 part hydrogen peroxide to 3 parts warm water. Number 8. Makeup tools cleaner. To kill the bacteria that causes acne. First of all, clean your makeup tools with soapy water. Then soak it in 3 parts water 1 part hydrogen peroxide mixture. Let it soak for 10 minutes. Number 9. Clean and disinfect toilets. Simply pour half a cup of hydrogen peroxide into the toilet and let it sit for 30 minutes. Then scrub it with a toilet brush and see your toilet shine and free from bacteria. Number 10. Brighten discolored nails. Stained nails can be caused by frequent painting of nails, and you can whiten them by placing a hydrogen peroxide soaked cotton ball on your nails and let it sit for a few minutes. Number 11. Get rid of dust bin odor. Spray hydrogen peroxide on your dust bins and allow it to sit for about 10 minutes to get rid of odor and bacteria. Number 12. Clean grout. Brightens tile grout by spraying peroxide directly onto grout and let it sit for several minutes. Scrub with a stiff cleaning brush. Try this powerful hydrogen peroxide cleaning and share your experience with us in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and if you are new here, hit the subscribe button and turn on notification so that you never miss out on any of my videos.